Assalamu alaikum students. Again I am here with the same topic, rounding off, but with the method number 2. And method number 2 class, it is very interesting. Okay, we are going to do very interesting method which is very easy to you. And for method number 2, I will tell you how to round off the number nearest 10 with very easy method. It's very easy way to round off numbers nearest 10. Okay, can you see this table? We have to use this table to round off these all numbers. Okay, in this number, first of all, I will tell you about this table. We have to make these questions very simple by using this table. Okay, in this table we are having two columns. The column number 1, we are having weak group. Okay, the weak group digits are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. But in the second column, strong group, we are having 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 digits. Okay, just keep these digits in your mind about the weak group and strong group. Okay, now question number A, we are having 72. 72, as you know, we are rounding numbers nearest 10. We have to first put place values. Okay, and whenever you have to round off tens place, you have to look at ones place, that what the digit in ones place is. Suppose if the digit in ones place is 2, the 2 is weaker. 2 is the weak group digit. Okay, if it is weak, then we will not add here any number. Okay, the number will be as it is, and we will not add 1 in 7. In tens place we will not add 1. Okay, then the number will be same, then we will write 70. Okay, this number will be vanished because it was weak. Okay, and it instead of 2 we will write 0, and we will keep the tens same, 70. Okay, now as it is, again for the B part we will use place values ones, tens, 100. Okay, now we have to round off tens place. For rounding off tens place, again we have to look at the next digit, next ones place. On ones place we are having 7, and 7 is strong digit. Okay, the digit of strong group. That's why if we are having the strong digit number, we have to add 1 here, tens place. Okay, it will vanish, will make 0, and 1 plus 6 will be 7, and this one number is constant number. That's why this number will be remain same. Okay, strong group digit number, and due to its strong group digit number, we have to carry 1 on 6. Okay, 6 will become 7, and this constant number will remain same. Then the rounding of number will be 970 here. Clear? Now we will see C part. Now the first step we have to put place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. As you know, these all numbers are the constant numbers. Okay, we have to round off this number. Okay, tens place, and whenever we have to round off tens place, again we have to look the next number. Again next number is weak. Okay, is the weak group member. Okay, now it is the member of weak group. That's why we will not add any number here. We will not add 1 here, and it will vanish to become 0. It will be same because next number was weak group number, and it will be same as 5, and these are the constant numbers. We will put them as it is. Okay, now the number is 10,950. Okay, it is the answer of, after rounding of number. Okay, now in case of D part, we are having 897. First of all, we will put place values ones, tens, 100. Okay, here 8 is constant. Okay, now we have to round off 9. Okay, tens place 9, and for rounding off tens place we have to look at the ones place. Okay, now ones place is the strong group member, that's why we will put 1 here on the 9. Okay, it will vanish to make 0, and 1 plus 9 will become 10. Instead of 10 we will put 0 here and will carry 1 on the 8. Clear? As it was the constant number, but after it is a special case when it was 10, then 0 is here and 1 will be on 8 to make it 9. After rounding off you will have 900 the number. In case of now E part, here the next question is 4305. First of all we will put place values, ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. As constant number, you have to round off tens place by looking at the next number, the next digit on ones place. The next digit is a strong group member, as according to the table, it is the strong group member, that's why we'll put carry 1 here, will carry 1 here, then it will vanish to become 0, and 1 plus 0 will be 1, and constant will be remain as it is to make 4310. Okay. Okay, now F part, we are having F part. In F part we are having the number 19,543, and first of all again we will put place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. Again these are the constant numbers and we have to round off tens place to look at the next number, next digit. Next digit is the strong with the weak group member. Okay, it is weak group member according to the table, it is weak group member, and we will not carry 1 on the 4 and it will be vanished to make it 0, 4, and we will put these numbers here again, and the after rounding off the number is 19,540. Okay, it was very easy method to round off numbers nearest 10. Okay, in this method you have to use the table. Okay, in this table there are two groups, weak group, strong group. Okay, in weak group you have to keep this in mind, that in your mind, that in weak group you are having 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and strong group you are having 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In case of strong group you have to carry 1 on the tens place. Okay, but in case of weak group you will not carry 1 on tens place. Okay, just you have for the simplest and easy way you have to use method number 2. Okay, I hope you are very much clear about it. Inshallah we will meet next time with a new topic. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.